everyone, this is Rachel from Atlas Homes, and today we will be walking you through 115 square meters, 5-room resale HDB which took 3 months to complete and a total renovation cost of 97k located right here in Yishun. This house is a safe haven for a family of 4. If you're a fan of minimalist interiors with a touch of wabi-sabi charm, you are going to love this home tour. Let's step inside. Today we have Douglas from Interior Box Studio here with us. Nice to meet you, Douglas.
Nice to meet you, Rachel.
Douglas, can you share with us what is the design inspiration for this space?
Yes, so my client opted for minimalism with a fusion of wabi-sabi. So they're a family of 4. So basically they needed to be a very functional space, yet aesthetically pleasing.
I see. It is very aesthetically pleasing so far.
Thank you.
Once I came in, I can't help but notice this reader glass panel. Is there a reason for this?
Yes, so it shields as a divider, so panel, so that when the neighbors walk past, they won't be able to look directly into the space. So basically it's a privacy panel. Yeah.
Ooh, that's very interesting.
Correct. So, and right below it, it also acts as a shoe cabinet with some storage tucked underneath. So this is basically a very functional shoe cabinet as well.
Wow, functionality all in one.
Yes, indeed.
I see that you've incorporated curves as well for a softer look.
That's right. It really creates a nice transition into the dining and living area.
Wow, you're right. The living area feels so seamless and open.
Yep, minimalism is guided by the principles of simplicity, functionality, and intentionality. So this space emphasizes on clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a neutral color palette.
I noticed the tiles used are huge. Is there a reason for this?
Yes, indeed. These are actually 800 by 800 large format floor tiles, meaning fewer grout lines to exude a larger and more open look. There's also less dirt buildup, making it easier to clean.
I can definitely feel how it opens the space and creates a seamless flow between the living, dining, and bar areas. I also felt like there's this dreamy feel to this space. Am I imagining this?
No, you're not. We actually use these sheer curtains to provide soft, natural lighting and making the space feel more airy, spacious, and yes, very dreamy.
It definitely does. And Douglas, this cute bar area is my favorite part. What made you choose to add this?
So, the client actually wanted to have an extended space for family gatherings or entertaining guests. It acts really well as an informal seating area where you can have some snacks while watching the TV.
It's also perfect that it's also positioned near the balcony area, which takes advantage of the natural light and breeze. I would love to have this place for my morning coffee.
Speaking of coffee, have you checked out the kitchen?
Yes, I love the glass sliding door used to segregate the dining and kitchen area. I also really like the Quartz countertop. It really makes the place feel brighter and complements that overall neutral palette.
The good thing about Quartz is that it has the beauty of natural stone without the price tag. Plus, it's also extremely functional due to its durability and requires minimal upkeep due to its non-porous surface.
I also like how the homeowner was able to keep things clutter-free in the kitchen, keeping to the minimalist theme.
They specifically requested for extra storage space in the kitchen, so we catered for an oversized bottom cabinet which came with many storage areas.
Well, it definitely made the kitchen feel neat and clean. Moving on to the bedrooms, were there any specific requirements from the homeowners?
Since their children have grown up, the designs for the bedrooms needed to be catered to their changing needs by incorporating functional and space-efficient solutions like full-height wardrobes, which we also incorporated curved elements into the wardrobe for a softer, elegant look. For the master bedroom, we added a curved box up at the entrance, not to only conceal the unsightly aircon trunking, but also to transform the entrance into a feature that also adds character to the space.
Wow, it definitely added an elegant touch. While I was using the bathroom earlier, I noticed the glossy wall tiles really helped brighten up the space. Plus, the concealed lighting creates a soft, diffused glow that really gives off a hotel-like atmosphere. In terms of maintenance, is it hard to upkeep?
Absolutely not. Glossy wall tiles were chosen to minimize visible watermarks, so the space stays clean and polished with minimal effort. Like I mentioned, the homeowners wanted an easily maintainable space, so we also constructed a shampoo shelf at the side so that the client wouldn't wouldn't have to purchase loose metal racks which tend to rust over time.
That's actually really smart. I feel that rusty metal racks are something many homeowners like myself can relate to. So it's great that you have this built-in shampoo shelf here.
Time to tell your ID to build you one.
Hi, Rachel.
Hi Douglas. You can see that a lot of thought has been put into the design.
Yes, indeed. So I'm really glad that I managed to achieve what I wanted for the client. A timeless design that they can see through the space for possibly the rest of their lives. Yeah, I'm very thankful I got the opportunity to work with my client as well.
Wow, timeless design. That's definitely what all of us want to have in our house. Thank you for bringing us around today, Douglas.
No problem, my pleasure.
If you're interested in finding out more about Douglas or Interior Box Studio, feel free to check out the links below. And if you like the content you've seen today, feel free to follow, like, share, and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.
Bye.